Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open CLA250 gas tank. Start by parking level and turning off the engine, then locate the fuel door release. Find a small lever or button on the lower left of the driver's dash or next to the seat. Pull or press firmly while keeping the vehicle unlocked. Walk to the fuel door, press it gently, then remove the cap by twisting counterclockwise. Begin by confirming the car is off and unlocked, then operate the interior release lever or button to pop the fuel door. Approach the door and press gently to open it fully. Twist the filler cap counterclockwise to remove it, keeping a hand over the cap to avoid dropping it. If the cap is tethered, allow it to hang, otherwise set it on a clean surface. Replace and tighten the cap after fueling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with their lifetime warranty. They survive gas station trips and long drives with ease. I keep a pair in the glove box for cold mornings and road comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the fuel door release fails, first check vehicle locks and fuse panel for a blown fuse, then try using the mechanical release if available. For a stuck fuel cap, use a rubber strap for extra grip and turn slowly with steady pressure. Avoid using excessive force on the fuel door hinge to prevent paint or latch damage. When in doubt, call a technician to avoid costly repairs to the fuel filler area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.